Good morning, students. Today we will learn about work we do at home. Work we do at home. Who does the housework in your family? Doing housework is part of life. A lot of people don't enjoy doing it, but it still has been done. Some people hear other people to help them with their home chores, while some do it within the family. Today keywords: balance, chores, leisure, recreation, and relax. List the work done by family members at home. What are the different types of work done at home? Household chores: washing clothes, cleaning rooms, washing dishes, watering plants, and cooking. Cleaning the rooms, washing dishes, washing clothes, cooking, watering plants. Mother doing work in home: cooking, washing clothes, washing dishes. Father doing work in your home: go to shop and watering plants. Sister going to the homework: make our bed, clean the home, washing dishes. Brother and doing work in your home: go to shop, arrange the table. Sharing at home: completing household work needs everyone helps in the family. This would only be possible when everybody share the work. Which task do both you and your partner do at home? Some tasks are common for children to do at home, such as making beds every morning, keeping toys and books at the right place. There are many tasks that need to be done at home, and it is our responsibility to do them. For example, if we do not clear our tables after studying every day, it will look dirty and we will lose our things. நீயும் உன் பார்ட்னரும் சேர்ந்தா என்னென்ன ஒர்க் பார்ப்பீங்க? நீ க்ளீன் மை ரூம், புட் மை டாய்ஸ் இன் பிளேஸ். பார்ட்னர் என்ன ஒர்க் செய்வார்? க்ளீன் மை டாய்ஸ், பையிங் மில்க் ஆர் அதர் ஸ்மால் ஐட்டம்ஸ் ஃப்ரம் த மார்க்கெட். ரெண்டு பேரும் சேர்ந்து போத் மேக்கிங் பெட்ஸ், fetching things for elders, and go to shop. What is mean by leisure? Leisure has often been defined as a quality of experience or as free time. Free time is spent away from business, work, job, hunting, domestic chores, and education, as well as necessary activities such as eating and sleeping. Okay. Do you think playtime or free time is important? Playtime is very important. We play games between or after our work time. This is known as leisure. At times, we do not feel like doing anything and just relax. It helps people to refresh. Activities we do in those times, such as reading books, going for walks, are called recreational. Recreation. What is recreation and example? Recreation refers to all those activities that people choose to do to refresh their bodies and minds and make their leisure time more interesting and enjoyable. An example of recreation activities are walking, swimming, meditation, reading, playing games, and dancing, and dancing, that is recreation. Today we talking about conclusion. Household chores. Conclude that many jobs need to be done at home by everyone. Sharing at home. All tasks are important and it's everyone's responsibility to complete the work. Leisure. The importance of balance between work and play. Next, recreation. Discuss the changes occurred in the kind of recreational activities in past and present. Do the worksheet. Write some household chores which task to both you and your partner do at home. Why is playtime important? Next, write any 5 recreational activities. Okay, thank you students.